Oh man. Hey Marcus, you want to help me get all the music box ready?
Oh yeah. Don't even worry. Hold on, I'm recording this so Robbie can always treasure this. This is a moment that needs to be remembered.
I'm gonna see about putting like a couple more in, like literally like 2.
Oh, guys, he's here.
Oh, he's here?
Oh, good.
Okay.
Right.
Let's go.
Does he have a
Oh
sound
shit! I broke one.
Okay.
Oh shit! Wait, hold on! I broke a lot of them. I'm breaking them by accident.
Oh no, it's it's okay. Don't worry, just a minute. Oh no!
Our plane backfires. He didn't even get to hear the loud part.
He didn't even get to the dirt.
He didn't get to the dirt. Oh, it's starting. Oh, it's starting. Oh!
Oh, my ears. Oh, he's doing a mess. No! Oh no, the coffee!
Oh no!
Oh, this hurts.
Oh, it's getting loud! Oh no! Holy shit!
Wait, guys, no, he left. Guys, he just left.
How?
There's a door! You guys forgot to lock the door!
Oh, it was getting so loud. Jesus
It's
Christ.
just filled with discs.
Oh my god.
Oh,
How many discs?
there's so many discs. Oh.
He just wanted to come here to see what the church was.
He saw more than he bargained for.
He saw the devil himself. There's so many.
Oh.
Still here? Okay, good.
Just want to see what cool things his friends have been making in the nice little server he saw.
He so graciously bought.
Yeah.
This is what he did. This is what we did for him.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh no.
What do you mean? He's down here.
Oh wow.
I'm so happy. Hold on, wait, I found a mushroom.
Oh, I wish Robbie could get on with this so we could have heard him during that.
Floating.
Because I found a big mushroom. It has nothing to do with what we've talked about, but I found it.
Oh, I need to put a jack-o'-lantern in here. We're responsible for those.
This is what Pingas intended.